Hello friends, in this video I will provide you this solution of assignment 1 of NPTEL course Programming Data Structures and Algorithm using Python by Professor Madhavan Mukund, and this is the 8 weeks programs. The week 1 quiz is available and the last date of submission is 9th of August. So the first question is, what is the value of G728 for the function below? That function definition is given here and we have to find out the return value when y is 728. So the correct answer is 5. You have to write the 5 in this text box. Next question is, what is f90 minus f89 given the definition of f below? The function f definition is given here. We have to find out the output of this f90 minus f89. That the correct answer is 5. Again 5. So you have to write the 5 in this text box. Next question is, consider the following function. Here a function definition is given, h function name is h and n is passed as argument. So we have to find out the function hn given above returns false for positive number n if and only if. The function returns false if and only if n is a perfect square. The correct answer is option C, n is a perfect square. Next question is, consider the following function foo. That foo function definition is given here. We have to find out the correct option. So the correct option is last option D. The function terminates for non-negative and with foo n equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So after this, submit the quiz, and thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video so that I can provide you the solutions of the next assignment. Thank you.